Picture this. It's December 23rd, 2019, and a snowstorm sweeps through Denver. Mike Larson, a local hiker, sets out with his dog, not knowing a hidden danger lurks beneath the snow. Most people think they should seek shelter when lost. But here's the twist. Staying put can often lead to faster rescue. The biggest mistake? Overestimating your warmth. Instead of huddling together if you're stuck in the cold, spread out to avoid hypothermia. Mike learned the hard way. Alone and underestimated, he waited for help, but the biting cold crept in faster than the rescuers could find him. The question lingers: how many others, like Mike, ignore these life-saving tips? Share this, seriously.